Good afternoon. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. I have one reason you should subscribe to this channel. This channel is all about the great outdoors. And I guarantee you will like the content that is on this channel. I'm up at the cabin this week. It's just before Christmas. I think my wife said we've got 2 more weeks before Christmas. So it was a good time for me to sneak away and come on up to the cabin. I've gone for a hike today. I'm out in the swamp behind the cabin. As you can see behind me, I hope you can see, I'm in some cattails. So, but the reason I'm in these cattails is it's a pretty windy day. The temperature when I got up this morning was about 3 below zero. So between the wind and all of that, it's noontime now. I got out here, I don't know, a couple of hours ago. Today's topic is going to be about hypothermia and things that you can do to prepare yourself against hypothermia and just plain staying warm and having a good time in the great outdoors. This time of year, I start talking about building fires and the importance about building fires. Why is it important to you that you be able to build a fire? More than just with a match or more than just with a lighter. And the reason I come about this way is because I'm old enough to remember when you could actually buy a really good Bic lighter. I'm also old enough to remember when you could buy a really nice wooden match. And little by little over the years, companies have done away with the quality or laws have come in and done away with the materials that they could use from back then. So my thought is in the future, some of these things might even become worse than they are already. So it would be a good idea, at least that's the way I think about it. It's a good idea to know how to build a fire with different methods, not just because of survival. I realize that every video out there is about survival, survival, survival. For the most of us, that's not ever going to be an issue. And I would think for the most of us that are watching this video right now, that would never be an issue for you as far as survival, survival, survival. It's more about good quality equipment. It's more about good quality skills that would help you in a lifetime of survival situations. Not just one, plane crashes and you're the only one that survived and you've got 50 miles to go through to get out to the highway. For most of us, that's never going to happen, especially in today's age. But there are things happening around us that maybe we should take notice of. I just would like to show you, in my area, we have about 100 square miles. And in my area, there's something on this tree behind me that I'd like to show you. All right, here's the tree. Gob down here, gob up here. See right there? That right there is all soft. Whoops, frozen today because it was below zero. All right, so I got 2 of them off that tree. I will show them to you. They're hard. For the last 3 days, the other night it was below zero. Right now it's probably only about 10 degrees. The sun is out. This is December 9th up here in Northern Maine. But they will still work and they will burn hot. Tar that I pulled off a tree. I've had it in my pocket. It started to get soft and pliable. That should be enough. I'll take a little bit more, only because I want to light the piece of sap that we got. Easy peasy. On my belt I have a fire rod. There you go. See that? Now that right there is how you build a fire in the Maine woods. Like I said, look at that sucker burn. It burns like a torch. If you can't get a fire built with that right there, you ain't ever in your lifetime going to be able to build fire in the Maine woods. Good afternoon, welcome back. I harvested some punk wood a few days ago. I'll put a link to that video, but I've harvested it because I'm getting low on charred punk wood, and I like to keep some on hand. But one of the ways I like to light it is with a magnifying glass. This one came out of a set of binoculars, old set. It's very easy. It's a resource that I will not use up, and because it's the sun. So I just want to show you how quick and easy this is. This is late December, so the sun rays isn't exactly perfect, but I'm hoping you can see this. But it only takes a few seconds. I hope you can see in there. That's how easy it is to light charred punk wood with magnifying glass. So I don't understand why not more woodsmen or bushcrafters are willing to throw this in their pack. Is it a resource that will last and last? So I'm going to move you to the fire pit and we're going to build a fire. Alright, I got the punk wood lit with the magnifying glass. So what we're going to do now, everybody knows how to build a fire, but hey, we'll go through the steps anyways. If you're out in the bush, you could take that charred punk wood, which is everywhere. That's why I don't carry char cloth and all that. A piece of white birch bark, a piece of chaga, almost anything. Alrighty, welcome back. Okay, now what I've done here is I've taken out a piece of charred punk wood from my tin, and I'll spin around this way, maybe you can see better. Sun's over there, but we'll see. Let's see, hopefully it's not too bright on you. Alrighty, just got a piece of flint here. What I like to do with my punk wood is I like to cup it between the stone. That's why I like big chunks. I like to cup it between my thumb and my stone. I just put a little bit of pressure on it just to hold it there. And then what I do is then I come down on it, and it's really easy to catch a spark. Almost had one there. Hope you can see that. Let me spin over this way now, maybe in the dark. Hope you can see that. As always, I thank you for tuning into this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you like the channel and you like the stuff that we're doing, I would greatly appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. You know how all that works on YouTube. Trying to just show how it is up here in Northern Maine, and the things that we do as woodsmen out in the woods on a regular basis. And it's not something we do once in a while. I fish, I hunt, I snowmobile, I four-wheel, and I do it as often as I can. And these things that we learn it for a reason, and that is so we can be comfortable and we can thrive while we're in the great outdoors in the state of Maine. So thank you. I hope you come back. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.